Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the house. Immediately grab the visible keys, batteries, and any flashlight parts to avoid backtracking. Once done, follow diary entries and music box cues because they point to Ruby's mom's last known locations. Make sure to keep one battery in reserve and save your game in a safe room so you can retry complex sequences without losing progress. This setup cuts wasted steps and primes you to pursue the first lead efficiently. You now decode the middle section. Use music box melodies to sequence room searches because the tunes reveal hidden compartments tied to Ruby's mom. Once you find matching notes, use keys on cabinets and small locks. Many secrets are in drawers and under floorboards, not main doors. Make sure to observe enemy patrols, bait them into a predictable loop and sprint past when they turn. This approach prevents getting trapped while you assemble the critical evidence. You reach the finale. Place the collected items in the sequence hinted by notes and music. That combination unlocks the hidden room where Ruby's mom appears. Once unlocked, keep your light and stamina ready because a final chase or scripted event may trigger. Dodge twice, then fall back to the nearest save if necessary. If nothing happens, make sure to backtrack 1 or 2 rooms to re-trigger audio cues or respawn required items. This simple retry fixes most progression bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.